In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off PlayStation 5 startup beep sound. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If the beep that happens when you turn on your PlayStation 5 annoys you, you will be able to actually disable it altogether. You can also lower the volume if you prefer to keep it enabled just at a lower volume altogether. So you will have to do this inside of your PlayStation 5 settings. So from the home screen, all that you have to do is access the settings of your console. Inside of the settings, you will be able to browse through various categories, and what you are looking for is under System. So go to the System category with this little cube icon. When you go to the System category, one of the new categories that Sony added is Beep Sound. So under Beep Sound, as the name suggests, you will be able to change some settings about it. Primarily the volume, so you can actually just lower it if you would like to keep it enabled just at a lower volume, or you will be able to mute it altogether. If you just want to mute it, then choose the secondary option and it is going to be completely disabled. You won't be able to hear it at all when you power on your PlayStation 5. Alternatively, by lowering the volume, you will be able to still hear the beep just at a lower volume altogether. High is the standard, so you will have to choose from one of the other options. You can change this as many times as you wish, and you will be good to go. This also includes rest mode, so as you can see, this mutes your PlayStation 5's beep sound when turning it on or off or putting it into rest mode, so it is going to go away altogether. You don't have to change anything else, just make sure that you manage this option here in this menu, and after you are done, everything is going to be saved and remain that way. Even after you update your PlayStation 5 software and such, this option will remain in action. And you can come here at any time to change the volume or unmute it. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off PlayStation 5 startup beep sound. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.